Nabuko ka, ma.
Yay! Sa'yo na luto. Hold the pencil. You want to use the pencil? What do you want? Okay. Are you ready now? What's your name? Okay, start from where I will get my start. You want to start? I will start here. Start from where you want to start? I will get my start, okay? B, hold properly, B. Hold properly. Giliran, drawing, color, space. Pero ka lang mga letters. I-rin ba one? Good. Can you one name of your friends? Who is your friend?
Upaw.
Wow. Okay. Do you like to go to school? Yes or no? Wow, very good. So, come here. Look at this one. Do you know what is this? What animal is this? Oh, do you have umbrella at home? Did you bring umbrella today? Para uwan na din. Hindi naman ba uwan? How about this one?
Ay.
Sana? As for... Sana na? Balay! Sana? Totoo itong listahan ba sa balay? I is for?
Uncle.
I is for?
Maria.
Oh, read them. Grade 6.
Nakakapani.